memory and memory management is just something you don't have to worry about at all in C#. And that's why C# is a far better language. You don't have to worry about garbage collection, and you don't have to worry about memory management. Let's say, as a hypothetical, I want to make a game where the objective of the game is to, I don't know, wash puppies. I'm gonna start by writing a script where I have an integer. I want to record the number of puppies that have been washed. And then I'm going to write a function that is going to wash the puppies, and when it's done, it's going to increase that number of puppies washed by 1. It makes no difference to me at all where on the hardware that data is stored. Whether that integer is stored here, or over there, it fucking works. It doesn't matter to me at all where that data is stored. But in C++, you have to explicitly understand how and where the data is stored. And so C# doesn't force you to think about memory at all, and C++ does. If you're mostly coding in C#, you're going to entirely forget how memory and memory management works, because it's not relevant in the modern coding atmosphere to know. You can make an entire game in Unity from start to finish and publish it on Steam and never once have to know the difference between heap and stack memory. And I understand there are a lot of coders that are going to say, well, C++ is a more powerful language because it gives you that ability to go right to the root of the problem and resource from this particular memory block at that particular location the exact data that is being held there. I will tell you, from my experience of a decade worth of making games, I have never once had to know the exact value of a data stored at its exact specific position in memory. There is almost no circumstances at all ever in the context of game development where you're going to have to know the exact specific data at a specific block in memory. It's entirely irrelevant unless you were doing some like extremely advanced, low-level, grinding on metal debugging where you would have to know that data. It just doesn't fucking matter.